I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start with a clean canvas. In this video, I will explain how to use Gluta White Night Cream effectively. First, gently cleanse your face to remove all makeup and impurities. Follow up with a mild toner to prepare your skin, ensuring it's balanced and ready. Pat your face completely dry before moving to the next step, as this helps with absorption. Now for the application. Take a small, pea-sized amount of Gluta White Night Cream onto your fingertips. Distribute this evenly by dotting it across your forehead, cheeks, chin, and nose. Using gentle, upward, circular motions, massage the cream into your skin until it is fully absorbed. Be sure to cover your neck as well. For optimal results, make Gluta White Night Cream a consistent part of your nightly routine. Apply it every evening just before you go to sleep, allowing it to work its magic overnight. Regular, consistent use is crucial for achieving the desired brightening and rejuvenating effects. Remember to avoid direct contact with your eyes and mouth during application. To maximize the benefits of your night cream, always use a broad-spectrum SPF during the day to protect your skin from sun damage. Store your Gluta White Night Cream in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its efficacy. For an effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Remember, healthy skin is a journey, not a destination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.